Kasi ayaw ka niya. That is the reality you have to accept when someone chooses to betray you. Kung sinabi niya na mahal ka niya kahit na niloko ka niya, anong ibig sabihin nun? Love language niya, cheating? Your relationship should be a safe place. You cannot feel safe with someone who has broken the core value of trust. You can pretend, but how long will that last? When someone does something to you that hurts you, that makes you feel worthless, you have to accept what they did at face value. That is who they truly are. Their disrespectful actions reflect their character, not yours. Do not try to make excuses for them because you might be thinking, ay, baka nagkulam ako kaya niya ginawa yun. Baka naman sobrang busy at stress ko sa trabaho kaya nakalimutan ko siyang alagaan. Ayan tuloy naghanap siya ng iba. Kasalanan ko to kaya kailangan kong ayusin to. Kung feel niya na nakukulangan siya sa efforts mo sa relationship, feel niya siya na lang nag-e-effort sa relationship, ba't di ka niya kinausap? May problema sa relationship niyo,